Stickers have remained nearly unchanged since their introduction in 2014. Players apply a sticker they like, and in the process, that sticker is permanently consumed. But in light of similar sticker designs across majors and poor investment returns since RMR 2020, players have soured on stickers. Valve had to act, and their solution was the Sticker Slab. But if stickers can now be applied without being consumed, is the future of sticker investing dead? Before we can answer that, we need to understand three things. Why sticker sales have been declining, how Valve has tried to reverse this trend, and why it hasn't worked, and lastly, whether Sticker Slabs will successfully increase sticker sales. Let's start with the first reason. If we look back at capsule sales for every major, split into Challengers capsules, Legends capsules, and Contenders capsules, we can see quite clearly that the sales of these capsules peaked with the RMR major. Given how important these sticker sales are to professional CS2 teams, Valve has every incentive to get these sales back to previous levels. So what's driving the decline? Two reasons. Players are tiring of similar designs for each major, and an increasingly large investor base wants to hoard stickers rather than apply them. To illustrate why players are getting bored of stickers, let's look back at all of Navi's stickers from every major they have played in. Notice any differences? Not really, right? There are only so many ways that you can redesign a sticker to make it completely unique from previous majors. That covers the stale designs. To understand the investing dynamic more, we can look back at previous majors' application rates to decide if players are applying stickers or simply investing in them and hoarding them. If a lot of investors are buying stickers, we would expect a relatively low application rate, given the whole point of investing is not to lose money. If we plot the application rate of stickers using Steam market data and CS Float application data, we can see that more recent majors have relatively low application rates, and there's a decreasing trend from Stockholm 2021 onwards. So players aren't buying stickers because the designs are too stale, but why aren't investors buying stickers? When we look at the median sticker returns for every major, it's pretty clear why. Returns have been abysmal. From 2020 RMR onwards, returns have been on a downward trend and have actually been negative. If you invested in sticker capsules, you lost money. It doesn't look like this is going to change anytime soon. Now that we understand why sales have declined, let's understand what Valve has tried to do in the past and why it hasn't worked. While we only have directional data that we can infer from places like the Steam community market, Valve has complete data on every facet of the game. They saw this trend coming and they've been trying to reverse it. Their first attempt at giving players new major themed ways to customize their weapons was souvenir charms, which can be applied to any weapon. Looking at the sales volume for Austin 2025 souvenir charms, it's pretty clear that these were not that popular. With sales volumes decreasing consistently from launch, players just clearly aren't that interested in souvenir charms. So Valve went back to the drawing board and came up with the Sticker Slab. It's a genius invention that solves both of the issues we've identified earlier. First, it gives players an additional way to add another sticker to their weapons. And secondly, it allows investors to apply stickers without consuming them and losing money. So while Valve has previously tried souvenir charms, they've clearly gone back to the drawing board and come up with a Sticker Slab. Now that we understand what Valve's tried, let's understand if Sticker Slabs will be successful and reinvigorate sticker sales. The first thing I want to show you is an average sticker price of a collection of stickers indexed to a week prior to the Sticker Slabs introduction. In green, we see three types of low value stickers: those found in the armory, previous major stickers, and those found in the in-game shop. In blue, we have high value stickers from the same three types. If we overlay the exact date of the Sticker Slabs introduction, we can see a notable uptick in a bunch of stickers, largely concentrated in those with higher values. This makes sense. players are less likely to apply a more expensive sticker because they stand to lose more money. We can be reasonably confident that the sticker slab has actually increased sticker sales. Not just of major stickers, but of all stickers. Next, we should understand if the sticker slab has had an impact on sticker capsule sales for majors specifically. This chart has capsule unit sales volumes from the Steam community market for each of the last 4 majors. While it's a little too early to say, Budapest is looking like it's going to come in above Austin and Shanghai, but still below Copenhagen. So the sticker slabs might have had some impact, but it's certainly not game-changing. So sticker sales have likely increased as a result of the introduction of sticker slabs. But what about future investment returns? This chart shows how major sticker capsule returns vary with total sales volumes for the sale period for each major. We can see a clear negative correlation between the number of capsules sold and the returns of those capsules. And this makes intuitive sense. The more speculators there are purchasing items in CS2, the lower future returns will be. Add to this that stickers can now be applied to weapons with a sticker slab without being consumed. It's likely we'll see upwards pressure on supply and therefore more downwards pressure on returns moving forward. So, will sticker slabs increase sales? The answer is probably yes. But this will have negative consequences for investment returns moving forward. If we return to our median CAGR by major and capsule type graph from earlier, it's quite likely that we'll see the negative trend continue, as investors have been burnt in the past and are unlikely to going to want to buy in the future. At some point, there will likely be an inflection point where sales volumes are so low that future returns actually start to tick up again. But when this will happen is anyone's guess. To understand more about an investment class that you should be investing in, weapon cases, click here to see my video on Genesis terminals and how they'll change the investing dynamic for weapon cases